G'day and welcome back to another delivery unboxing video. I think it's the first official 2023 delivery unboxing, and what better way to kick it off than with a very special gift. I've had a sneaky peek, blown away. And here's the box. It will give you a sneak peek of who may have sent it to me. And the bottom one is an Evil Bay purchase, which is incredible. But the gift has blown me away. So stay tuned and let's find out what I've been delivered today. So let's dive headfirst into delivery unboxing, and I will start with my Evil Bay purchase first. I do want to save the gift to last because it's mind-blowing. I cannot believe it. I'm speechless. I'm thankful. You'll see what I mean. It's stunning. But I am in Austria, so my search region has changed on Evil Bay, and I'm finding some really cool things. But take a look at this. If you're a Ferrari fan, if you're a Carrera fan, this is a Carrera exclusive Ferrari F40 124 scale. Now it is quite old, and it does smell like it's quite old. It was quite cool opening it up because it's probably haven't been played with for a long time. Really cool car. I love the old stuff. This is something I could not find in Australia, and I'm so happy that I have found it. Now I will do a full unboxing, teardown, review of this in the future. Both cars will get that, but what a beauty. Now it does work. I have tested it. I haven't pulled it apart yet. There is a working light, which you'll see in the upcoming review, but what a car. Now, being in Europe, I'm finding some weird and wonderful things, so stay tuned. If you are liking this kind of stuff, please subscribe because I'm going to do a lot more cool stuff like this. This car is incredible. But let's move on to the gift. I am blown away. I'm thankful. I'm speechless. I even tried to talk the sender out of sending it to me because I felt bad. I'm like, you don't have to send me anything. But let's have a look at the gift. So before I show you the model, which is mind-blowing, I do want to say a massive thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you to Frank Peters Modeling World. Now I will put up his YouTube channel. Very, very, very talented person. If you're not subscribed, please do. This guy is an absolute legend when it comes to scratch building, model building. Incredible. Now, I don't know where to start with this. He has sent me a lovely letter. Let's plug his little postcard, which is really cool. And he has sent me a little written letter on the back, which is lovely. Now, I'll keep it to myself. I love this kind of stuff, so thank you, mate. But let's not do the car yet, because there's also some of his stickers and some other good pieces in there, which I haven't even opened yet, because I was just so excited to show it off. But the time has come to take a look at this stunning Fleischmann. Hopefully it zooms in and I will give you a better look. This will get its own teardown. This is a 132 scale Fleischmann. It is the Lotus Type 40 powered by Ford. What an absolute stunning model slot car. Now this is old. This is collectible. And mate, why? Why did you send it to me? Now yes, this will be going on my little test track and I'm grateful, so thank you so much, mate. Stay tuned. I will be doing a full review on this teardown and we'll give it a rip around the track. So I had to stop the tape and cut in here because I'm taking photos of it. I'm filming some stock footage for the review. But look at this. Seriously. I can't believe, Frank Peters, you've sent this to me. Mind blowing. I just had to share that with you. I couldn't stop looking at it. Let's keep going. But he doesn't know. My favorite color is green, so you've hit the nail on the head, mate. So very thankful. And of course, you don't have to send stuff to the channel. This will stay in my collection forever. The stuff I get sent, I do not sell. It's very hard for me to sell anything, but this is definitely on my desk. I have a fair few things that have been sent to me now, and they do take a nice little pride spot in my collection, which I can see straight away. So if I'm having a bad day, I pick this up and go, you know what, it's all worth it. So thank you, mate. Here is his YouTube channel. Please subscribe, jump over there, show some love. Awesome, he's incredible. Cannot wait to review it, cannot wait to tear it down. So that's a wrap on my delivery unboxing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you did like the two deliveries that I received. The gift is, I'm speechless. I'm thankful. I cannot believe it. So cheers, Frank Peters. He's very active on our page, That's Like Car Group, and check out his YouTube channel. Incredible. Now, if you do like this kind of content, please consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. We are trying to get as much content done this year as we can whilst I'm here in Europe. And being in Europe, I've got access to a lot of cool stuff I didn't have in Australia. So I hope I can bring you some really, really good content. But as always, at That's Like Car Guy on Instagram and YouTube. Be safe, take care, support your local, support Frank Peters. Cheers, mate. Ciao.